Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. Today we have a special guest here with me on our channel. That is because we are going to be testing out men's makeup. Like I have never tested out any men's makeup before. So I thought rather to bring Kostov and let him test men's makeup as well. I feel like it's a gimmick. I mean, there's no difference between men makeup and women makeup.
Just say Kostov is the guinea pig, no?
No, yeah, he's my guinea pig. But still, we are going to be testing out, some stuff. We don't have a lot of makeup to test out, but also I'll be I taught him really well about makeup. No, I did teach you well, and I know that he knows some basic stuff. So we'll ask him few basic things about makeup, and let's see. Let's brush up a little bit. So okay, first thing first. What is this? What is this supposed to do? It has a lot of
beauty blender.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good. And what is a concealer supposed to do? Why do we use a concealer?
It's for people like me who stay up late at night and have dark circles.
Nice. So you know almost everything about makeup.
Not everything.
But you know the basic. I mean that's it. No, what else do you need to know? Anyway, we have things from the real men. We have tested out the real women on this channel. So I thought of testing out the real men makeup. Okay, this is not in focus. So this is a tinted moisturizer. We have a concealer and we have a beauty sponge as well. And we have a primer and we have a lip balm. So I'm like super excited.
Primer.
Yes, it's a primer. So first we will go in with the lip balm. And this is the lip balm that they have. I'll show you guys close-ups as well, of course. But this is from the Man Company. And actually he needs a lip balm, so I'll just give this one to him only. Yeah, put it on. It's a lightening lip balm. You don't put lip balm.
How do you put it on?
How does it feel? It's not that good, I think so. I did put it on yesterday and I felt like it doesn't moisturize that well. You have to give your reviews. No, you have to tell how it is.
I barely put lip balm ever anyway.
Also, you have to be a little loud also.
I said I barely put lip balm ever anyway, so I don't know.
But how is it? Like, do you feel like it's moisturized? Or like...
Kind of, I guess not so much as...
Yeah, no, it's very stiff, I feel like. It's
But I like it.
And I'll give it to you only.
I like
you take it. I don't need any more lip balm. But yeah, this, I don't know if this says SPF or anything, but it says it's lightened lips and it moisturizes, which I didn't feel like it moisturized enough. And it has vitamin E and licorice oil in here.
I'll keep it with myself.
Yeah, just keep it.
I need it. I'll keep it in my pocket.
So the next thing we are going to try out here is a primer. So what do you like think a primer is for, or
It's written here, sets the foundation for longer lasting and smoother application of grooming products by evening the surface of your skin.
But yeah, that's the thing. Now, what is the difference of a men primer and a woman primer?
How will I know that?
No, I'm not asking you. I'm just saying like they are making it like a different thing, no? Because for men it's different.
I need to see it. Then maybe I'll know.
But the packaging is really nice. I feel like it's just a marketing technique, They are like putting this out that we have... Don't smell it. Does it smell good?
I'm trying to figure out what it does with the smell. I like how it is black and my sweatshirt is also black.
That's so like, what do you say? That's so cheesy. Not cheesy.
Yeah, men are supposed to have
like
either black or blue, or
and
women.
Look at the font in here as well. So like bold and black and white.
Anyways, I don't know what the primer does.
Yeah, you don't know what a primer does. Okay, so this is the primer and we are going to use it. We have mirror, so this is for you, black, and this is for me. So first I'll just pump a little bit. Okay, did you put moisturizer or not? I feel like your skin is very dry.
I did.
No, you didn't, no?
I did.
Which one?
The one you gave me.
Aqualogica one. Okay then. Your skin is moisturized. I got a moisturizer here as well because I know this guy doesn't put on moisturizer.
I don't put on anything.
But yeah, this is the primer. So we just take one pump of it.
If you feel like it's dry. Yeah.
This is Oloman only. This is very small. But this is very small quantity. How do you feel? Moisturized?
Very moisturized.
Yeah. His skin is good only. I'm the one who has a big pimple here, so.
You say? Thank you.
Okay, now let's start. Let's start with the review. Yeah, give me your hand.
Which hand?
No, not like this, like this. Oh. Ki chhe to do?
Hey, Khori bra.
Okay. And just put it on now.
Put it where?
Put it on your face. Like this. No. See. Like this.
Hey, it's very
Oily. No?
It's like very, what do you call that?
Oily.
The thing that you...
Silicone.
No, hair serum.
Oh yeah.
It's like a hair
Yeah,
serum.
the texture, no? It's like very much like hair serum, a little bit like silicone,
I
but
don't like
also
it.
it has a little bit like oily kind of
I
consistency.
don't like it at all.
But it made my skin feel very smooth. Like, what do you feel after applying it? You have to say that.
I feel very oily, which I don't like.
It's not oily, but I feel like it made my skin very smooth.
Lagi ne? Acha.
He didn't blend it. You have to put it on like a moisturizer only. Yeah. Now it doesn't feel like oily, no? How does it feel?
Yeah, now it doesn't feel oily.
Do you feel like there is some kind of smoothing? Like you feel your skin is smooth? Look at,
Yeah, I
touch
think
my
so,
skin, touch my skin. No? It feels smooth, no?
It feels smooth. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels
Like,
smooth.
I can't tell much on
Because
my
of the-
beard part. Maybe if she should have told me to shave off
No,
my beard, I
no,
haven't
that's
done
fine. I like him with the
But
beard.
I think, yeah, I feel like it's smoother on my forehead and like here on the cheekbones.
Wow, cheekbones.
What is this called?
Yeah, cheekbones
No.
only. No, I'm just saying because he's like, you are
জানো তো
mentioning.
মই এটা বেশি দেখাবো
Now we are done with the primer. I think I like the primer. I'll be using the primer, definitely, for sure. I'll be using the primer. This was for the price of, just guess the price of this. Just guess
Since
it.
you have said ki just for the price of
It's just
300.
no, it's 650. Like around 600, I think so.
So why did you say just for the price of?
No, because like primers generally they are kind of expensive also. So it's not like super.
এটা কি হয়?
This is the tinted moisturizer. I again leave. It looks very similar to the primer, but yeah, this is a tinted moisturizer. So what is a tinted moisturizer supposed to do? It's like a foundation, but it's not exactly a foundation. মানে to skin to even out করে দিয়ে আর গম পাইছা মানে
So it's basically the same thing as
no, it's not like the primer. It has like this foundation cut tint, no? You see this? Like a foundation. But it's not like heavy like a foundation. You can use this on a daily basis. But the only thing is ki this one is going to be a little bit lighter for my tanned. You are a little bit tanned. So let's pump it out. You'll have to copy me. Oh, I forgot to wet your sponge. I'll go and wet it.
Okay,
I'll go and wet it.
I have to remove my watch. Even my watch is black, everybody. While she's back, I'll just put it on my hand like she showed me. 2 or 3 dabs. Why is it not coming up? Okay, 1, 2. I think 2 is enough, right? Or 3. 3. তিনিবাৰ লৈছো ঠিকে আছে ন চাচোন বেছি হৈছে নেকি
নাই অকমান বেছি হৈছে This is the sponge here, as you can see. The sponge, I feel like it's not soft enough. Like my sponges are very, very soft. Just feel this one. Soft now? This one?
Oh, it's much hard.
Yeah, so it's much harder. And when it's hard, it doesn't blend out the foundation that nicely. So
maybe they thought ki like men's skin is going to be rough, so we'll make it a bit harder.
I don't know.
So how will I hold?
No, give this to me.
তো নিজে কৰি থাকো মোক নকয় কি কৰিব লাগে
তে এনেকে ধৰ
পৰি যাব মই এনেকে ধৰিলে
তে এনেকে কৰি থাক আৰু এনেকে
where okay
it's very light for him. We are very sorry, but yeah. Now blend it with this. You don't know how to blend?
Just like dab it. Yes. Oh wait, I need to check my mirror, no?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I am not used to this stuff, everyone. I am trying.
Oh, it blends out nicely. Should I help?
No, no, no.
Do you feel like it's heavy?
I don't feel anything. I'm just feeling weird. My forehead has become black and white at the same time.
Black and it's grey.
Like half of it is dark and half of it is like gray or something.
Yeah, that's because it's not your skin tone in the first place. I think it did even out my skin tone. Like, I think I like it. Let me see, let me see.
God damn, I look hot as fuck.
Let me see. It looks very natural, you know? It looks like it did brighten up your skin a little bit.
Yeah, I don't feel like I put on anything.
The gray is there, but it's not too much also.
Forehead looks funny.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's coming on the camera or not, but this part is nice. This part is nice. This is a bit weird. Maybe
Yeah.
because I don't know how to
Blend it?
Yeah.
No. I think, yeah, it's because you have a little bit more tan going on here.
Yeah, but that is because that is not my
Yeah, shade also, yeah. So,
See? Learning.
we have the concealer, but you'll have to put on the concealer first. So, I just want to see. So, this is the shade light. I don't know why I got a lighter shade of concealer.
Because you're stupid.
But it's light.
Good luck. Here?
Remember?
Wait, no, concealer.
Yeah.
Acha, here, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I feel like this is going to be very light coverage as well. No. You put more in this area where you have more dark circles. No, you feel like. Yeah. It's fine now. Now blend it. I'll give you a good sponge to blend. This is a better sponge.
No, I will use the men's because
It's
it
for
makes
men.
Yeah, it makes sense, no, for the video.
Yeah. Okay,
How otherwise
fine.
we will judge it?
Okay. And you don't swipe. Dab. Yeah, dab. Okay, I'll put mine. I feel like it's an okay concealer. Definitely not going to be my favorite. But it's very light. And that's a fault on my part only. Sound too? It blended out nicely only, no? You know how
I
to
don't know.
blend.
I don't know, I just dabbed. You said to dab it, I dabbed.
Yeah, I feel like his dark circles are a bit, like, of course it's a little bit grey, but
Done?
wait, let me just,
Yes.
this,
Now I look like I had 8 hours of sleep last night, which I didn't.
you had like 3 hours of sleep.
Yes. Anakshi knows.
So, look at me. I think it's not that great. I think it's not that great because it's separating around here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, look, it's separating now here.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, it's separating. So, I don't know if I'll have to test it out in a different video. On him, it's looking fine. I don't know, maybe because I have dry eyelids. And yeah, I think let me see.
See my
Yeah, it's looking fine only on him. Like, it doesn't look like he has makeup on. It looks like I have makeup on. But you are looking grey. You're looking a bit grey. I think that was it, for the makeup. I mean, men's makeup hai, so obviously it's like very minimal.
So what did we put? We put the primer.
Primer, yes, 10 on 10. I like it.
Tint.
Yeah. Do you like the skin tint? I like the skin tint. It's more like the real woman's skin tint only, I feel like. What do you think about the skin tint?
It will not. This one.
Yeah, no, the foundation type, no?
Which one?
The second step.
I forgot.
Which one you applied like dish?
Oh yeah, I like.
Yeah.
I like all of them actually.
Hmm.
Yeah, I like all of them.
Except the lip balm.
I like the lip balm also because it's very.
Chotu.
No, it's not very like whenever I put Vaseline or something else.
It's too oily.
Too wet, too oily. Yes.
Oh, I think guys don't like that.
Yeah, I don't
Huh?
like it. I like.
I like that oily
I go
feeling.
up to someone. I go up to someone putting Vaseline on. Hello, what's up? And everything is oily.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
this is nice. This one is nice.
I think that's
For
why.
me.
Yeah, I think that's why they made it. Do you want to take these home?
No, I'll just take this one. I don't know this.
Of course, he doesn't even put on a moisturizer. So that was it. I just feel like, guys, honestly, I feel like there is no difference when it comes to men makeup and, kind of women's makeup. I mean, of course, you can use any skin tint that I have, and you're gonna end up looking like this only. So.
What do you mean looking like this?
Looking like this, I mean, looking like not bad. But what do you mean? Not bad, but like normal, aro. No. Denuka lagi
ভাল লাগিছে মোক.
Henukai lagi boto.
I feel great.
Great. Great. Okay, that was it for today's video.
This is the
liquid concealer.
Yeah,
I don't like the liquid concealer at all. It was like really very bad.
It's broken. I don't know what you call it.
Not broken. It's patchy.
Yeah, it will.
It's patchy and it's separating. I don't know why. Normally concealers don't do that, but yeah. Other than that, the skin tint is 10 on 10. The primer is good. The lip balm did not work out for me.
Primer is the serum.
Yeah,
thing,
serum.
no?
Yeah,
that was good.
That one was good actually. I'll be using that on a daily basis. So this one was the sponge. So in case you guys want to purchase anything from my recommendation, you can go for the primer and skin tint. For you, the best.
Lip balm or whatever lip.
Yeah, lip balm only. This is
lip balm and primer.
Skin tint, no.
No.
Yeah, okay then.
I guess.
I guess. Okay, guys, we'll see you guys in. I forgot. We'll see you guys in our vlog channel. We do have a vlog channel.
Yes.
So we'll see you guys there. If you did stick till here, thank you so much for watching. Yay!
Please drop a like.
We'll come with next videos as well on this channel. Leave your video ideas, for us.
Yeah.
In the comments below, so that we can do that together on this channel, considering that it is a beauty channel. So yeah, we'll be doing more of beauty videos here, and in our vlog channel we have like kind of random vlogs going on there, but I hope you like it and hope you subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.